Hey everybody, Ian here at TradeStalker.com with a quick recap for you for the 21st of March 2018. You can see these are on the screen as usual, the levels that Mike had given from the prior day, the ones that were most relevant to the price action. And wow, it was a pretty wide-ranging day. I mean, not as wide as some of the days, but definitely like a nice trading day. We're coming up into the last few minutes of the close here. The regular session close already happened. But you can see how well the levels performed. The market opened with a slight gap down here and consolidated just around this level here, this 18 to 19 level, and then moved higher, and it did break through this level here, but it then stalled out and was a nice shorting opportunity at the 31.5 to 32.5 level for a pullback down to this previous level where it ran up through it. And you can see even here it actually did pause for a minute, but this is like a nice example of how prior resistance becomes support, and you can see it held here. Here we're getting into the FOMC minutes, and so obviously things are a little bit crazy and unpredictable. But after things started to even the move up here, it moved a little bit higher than this 38.5 to 40 level, but you can see how the market still got a huge reaction off this, and this is actually the highs up here for the day, and got to move back down, got a nice bounce here. Off this level, broke through, and then the main thing to notice is here, this 13 to 12 level, this is the low of the day here as well. So, and then up here we got another reaction off of resistance, but the main thing is noticing these highs and lows, just the extensions of the range is, a lot of times Mike's levels will do that. Obviously having him, with real-time analysis is really helpful, and you don't want to just take these things in a vacuum. You want to make sure that you have some kind of a setup, which is a lot of what his ebook goes into. But it's really good to see just how these levels are working and, what can be taken advantage of. Hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, you can give Mike an email or send him an email rather at mike@tradestalker.com, and hope you guys have a great evening.